Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Karen Edwards and we are live from the Roofers Coffee Shop soundstage at the International Roofing Expo in Dallas, Texas. And I am so excited to welcome Rob and Jeremy from FlashCo.
Hi, Karen.
And they brought fun stuff. So Rob, what's going on?
So we're here with our new product line. So we've got a whole new product line. Yeah, it's really exciting. And so we're now doing fall protection. And so we've got both horizontal lifeline, we've got tie-back anchors available, we've got the ladders and that kind of stuff. And so Jeremy's our safety expert, so I'll let him get into some of the details, but yeah, it's really exciting. And we've got it right here in the booth too. We're showing our horizontal lifeline in the booth.
What's the booth number?
We're in 2426, so way on the other side, but come on down there and you can test the system. We've got it set up right there in the booth. So
that's very
it's really exciting, and we've got the anchors there too, so you can come see it all. And I'll let Jeremy explain some of the details.
Yeah. We talked to Jeremy at NERCA about
absolutely.
it.
Yeah, absolutely.
So now we're going to go deep diving on it.
So like Rob alluded to, it's a new product for FlashCo. So this is our horizontal lifeline system, and it's designed to fit virtually all roof decking materials, from 22 gauge metal B deck, any kind of metal decking, to structural concrete, to standing seam metal roofs, to trapezoidal R panels. So what we brought with us, this is our single ply base. Basically it just sits on top of the roofing assembly, on top of your decking, on top of your rigid polyiso. If you have a cover board system, it sits directly on that, and then all the way to the field of your roof. So your membrane, whether it be TPO, PVC, EPDM, mod bit, build, you name it, virtually any kind of waterproofing is adaptable to this system. So it sits directly on top of your roof. And then what's unique about our system is we have a single point anchor. It shows 4 holes on each side. That's for a wood deck application, but for a traditional commercial structure, it's going to be a single point anchor. And what's unique about the single point is it just mounts directly on into the hole, and it toggles to the bottom of the deck. Other systems on the market have your 4 points of connection. So if you're running a lengthy lifeline, a mile of lifeline, etc., you have your single point, and it's about a 75% savings in labor. It comes up with a full suite of components. What we have here is what we call our kinetic energy absorber. It just basically fastens on to, hand tightens onto the base. It's the same hardware for all 3 systems. So when I say 3 systems, talking metal deck, talking standing seam and trapezoidal roof panel, and as well as we have our rigid post system. Again, same concept. It just fastens directly on. And then we have a single point anchor, which gives you your 360 connection, so you can tie off and swivel around. So really any fall protection need for commercial structures, for OSHA 1910, 1926, ANSI standards, European, Canadian standards, and meets all those requirements. So we're really excited.
That is nice. You know, FlashCo is very well known for rooftop accessories, flashings, prefabricated. So it just kind of makes sense that you would offer an accessory for safety, basically.
Yeah. So what we found in the market is that not all of your makers of the horizontal lifelines know a lot about roofing, and so we're basically bringing all of our roofing experience to this new product line here. Since the last 23 years, FlashCo's been up on the roof, so it's a real nice extension for us in terms of product line. And so having both the horizontal lifeline and the tie-back anchors, we've got both that lifeline system, to prevent the falls or a fall from occurring, and then on a tie-back anchor where you're going for your window washing or a similar application like that, where you need something that's obviously going to hold you very tightly as you go over to do that window washing. We got that as well. So a whole suite of products there. So it's really exciting to add this to our existing product line.
Yeah, I bet contractors are excited too, because they know and trust you and have for years, and you definitely understand roofing and designed the system to not damage the roofing system.
Right. And so I'm sure Jeremy can talk to that.
Kind of tie up a couple points Rob made there. We do have our tie-back anchors as well for your window washing, your facade maintenance, where the intent is to fall off the roof. We offer that solution as well. as well as our horizontal lifeline system. And also really to stress the point, I mean, our expertise is in the commercial roofing and waterproofing world. So we're bringing the best of both worlds. We're bringing the expertise of our watertight seals and our flashings, as well as our knowledge of the fall protection world all into one. So really, it's a single suite connection. It's a single point problem solving for all facets of the industry. So we're super excited about what we're bringing to the table.
Yeah, so definitely swing by their booth, check it out, try it out.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's fun,
come test
right?
it out. Yeah, I think what we found is that contractors a lot of times will get asked for a permanent horizontal lifeline system, and maybe because of liability or something, not interested in taking that on. But now we're able to offer the products themselves and also the certified installers who are going to handle that in terms of the liability and all that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so you kind of, as you mentioned, you get that best of all worlds in terms of product and someone to handle the install and all that in terms of a permanent horizontal lifeline.
And we do hear that a lot from roofers, the liability piece. Don't be afraid of that. A roofer is often one of the first points that a building owner is going to come to for this solution, and a lot of times a roofer might walk away from it and might not be interested just because of the liability. If that's the piece, reach out to FlashCo. We certainly have the solutions all the way from engineering partners to shop drawings to certified installer to certified contractors. The insurance, it's all handled. We've got the program completely in a nice package. So if you do run across that, give us a call and we can have that dialogue.
It's turnkey, it's ready to go.
Turnkey.
Absolutely.
Wow, okay. Well, thank you guys for being here and for sharing.
Thank you so much.
This is really exciting. You can learn more about FlashCo at their booth. And also on their Roofers Coffee Shop directory. So we'll be coming to you live all day long from the soundstage. I'm Karen Edwards. Tune in.